Now my dear students, the time reversal, reflection. What is time reversal or reflection of something? Time reversal, also known as reflection, the maps the input signal x to the output signal y as given by this. This is the condition. If you take the negative time of any kind of function, you will get the time reversal or reflection. That is the signal. Like you can see geometrically, the output signal y is a reflection of the input signal x. Reflection means what? If you put here a mirror, we can see the image like this. The opposite of this image is that. It's like an image. Okay, how that can be created? That can be created by taking the value of the time into the negative fraction. Sorry, into the negative integer. Why it is negative integer? Look at it. Here 1, 2 and 3. The value is like that. Like that. The shape is like that. In 3, if the 3 is considered minus 3, so that will be that. Okay. If the value of 2 is now minus 2, that will be that. This shape is now going through to this shape. From 1 to 0 is like that. So 1 is considered as minus 1, so that will be in the opposite shape like this. That it's a 0. 0 also crosses in 2. It is similar to each other. It's no change here. If it's minus 1, minus minus plus 1. In plus 1 the trend goes up. In plus 1 the trend goes up. Again in minus 2 you get there, the trend goes something down. The trend goes again something down. The down point is 3, so that will be in the minus. It's minus 3, so that will be minus plus 3, like this. So that is known as time reversal. Reversal means minus. So if you take minus in the time slot, you can get it. I can show you another example to know it better. Look, if xt is equal to t, it's one kind of function, a function of like this kind of functions. That means the value of x is equal to the value of y. 1 is 1, 2 is 2. So the wave shape, the plot will be like this, okay. That is popularly known as a straight line that crosses the origin. Okay, the straight line that crosses the origin. কিভাবে? Why? Just like this. Just like this. From 1 you can get 1. From 2 you can get 2. From 3 you can get 3. So the shape will be like that. Okay. If you take x minus t, just take minus t, what will it happen? You can just draw the graph on your own in your exam sheets or in your home notebook. Minus 1, if it is minus 1, sorry, if it is minus 1 means 1, that will be minus 1, you will get minus 1. Similar point, minus 2, minus 2. After that, minus 1 minus is plus 1, plus 2. So the shape will be like that. Just like a mirror, there's an image of another thing, image of this side to that side. So that is the time reversal or time reflection. There is a time compression or expansion or dilation. Time compression or expansion, also called dilation, maps the input signal x to the output signal y as given by yt is equal to x at. A is a strictly positive real number. That is a condition of time compression or dilation. such a transformation is associated with a compression and expansion along the time axis. If a is greater than 1, y is compressed along the horizontal axis by a factor a relative to x. If a is less than 1, y is expanded, that means stretched along the horizontal axis by factor of 1 by a. It should have to be 1 by a relative to x. How can that be? Now in the next that is the thing, that is the xt. Okay, time compressed means that compresses, that compressed value. Expansion means that expands, that is stretches, the value is stretches. How that can be done? Look at it. That is xt, that is x2t, that is xt by 2. Okay, if xt is equal to, here we get in 0 point minus 1 and 1. Okay, the last value minus 1, take this, take it. So x 2t means that will be which position? In that position 2t means 2t is equal to minus 1. That means t is equal to minus half. That is the point of minus half. That did you get? Okay. If it is 1, the last point you can see here, 2t will be 1. So t is equal to half. So how can we get? That is half. And 0 is 0. There is no change. Just you can see, imagine that the point has stretched here. That is here. Go through to there. Just here. Just compressed. The value is compressed now. Thus you can see here. Okay. When you multiply the time, you get compressed value. Just reciprocal. Just it is opposite to each other. Okay. And when you just divide it, that will be expanded. See how can it be done. X t by 2. Okay. How can it be expanded? Take the last value, minus 1. T by 2 is equal to minus 1. That is, t is equal to minus 2. So this point will be stretched here. Now it will go through to that. It will go through to that. Now you can see in 1, if t by 2 is equal to 1, so t is equal to 2. So this value will be stretched to 2. This one we will get easily. Now just add these things here and here. Now you can see the value is expanded. Sorry, the waveform is expanded. You can see here, expanded value. So quite interesting fact. If you divide it by 2, or if you take division of any kind of divided with 3, 4, anything, that will be expansion. If you multiply, that will be compressed. That will be compressed. Okay, 2, 3 or any other multiple things.